Hello mga ka-Mayward! Kamusta na po ang mga pusong nasaktan, pusong sawi, pusong durog, pusong marupok? Well mga kaibigan, mga ka-Mayward, Alexander nagbabalik po para sa ating update ngayong araw. So, tama nga po ako at ewan ko, pero feel ko yung nangyari kanina ay hindi asap natin to life kasi parang feel ko replay siya. But yes, let's go to mas dapat nating pakatutukan yung pinakamamahal nating si Mama Entrata and Edward Barber. Sa I Want Asap natin to, or I Want Asap live kanina, ay yes, nandoon ang buong tropa sa virtual nila Zoom live ng I Want Asap. Well, nakita natin si Maymay Pakuela pa rin. Si Edward, wala namang nagbago sa dalawa after nung big reveal ni Maymay sa The Best Talk with Boy Abunda. It should be kung talagang may nangyaring kababalaghan sa dalawa, just like awkwardness wasn't there this morning. Like, iba naman yung atmosphere kanina, parang wala lang talaga, parang walang nangyari, unlike nung unang expose sila ng kanilang lines na we won't be having any romantic relationship in the future. Gusto namin individual projects muna, though they are love team. After that reveal ay medyo may awkwardness. In fact, kailangan nilang magkaroon ng sessions with Ana Fegleo para maibalik yung trust issues nilang dalawa, kasi gagawin yung Princess Diaries. So, that moment, masasabi natin na may nangyari talagang pagkadisgustuhan, some kind of pagtatampo, or parang di pagkakaintindihan. But this time, after the ups and downs, after ng ilang beses na dapa, merong time na galit tayo kay Edward kasi he kept having this kind of different silence na talagang wala kang marinig sa kanyang ni isang explanation as to what happened back then. And then merong time na galit tayo both sa kanila kasi hindi nila kayang ipaglaban yung anong meron sila, kasi parang na dumating sa point na parang may mga pagkadismaya tayo sa dalawa. But then may mga sabi, laylo muna ako, alis muna ako sa fandom, makinig na lang ako, makibalita na lang ako, pero I won't be that active anymore. And then slowly, sila lang din ang nagbalik sa sarili nila sa fandom, at na-heal naman yung mga nasugatan nilang puso, nasaktan nilang puso. And yes, the pinaka-latest was when Maymay said there was no Donnie Maymay some kind of something kasi they are just friend and walang namamagatan sa kanila. Yes, we were so happy nung mangyari yon. And then mas naging happy tayo nung si Donnie din mismo ang nagsabi na walang Maymay Donnie thingy, hindi totoo yung mga issue na yan. So parang ganun. And here comes Maymay, and the big reveal happens last night when Maymay said, meron na akong jowa, Tito Boy. At itago natin siya sa pangalang si Aw Aw. Oh my goodness me. Parang nabagsakan yung mundo natin ng isang buong galaxy, right? And yun, lumabas yung mga hinanakit sa puso natin, pinambabato natin sa lahat ng social media na kaya nating pagbatuhan. And yes, in the morning, it's the same thing. It's getting more furious sa iba, at nang talagang bitaw sila ng mga sarili nilang mga emosyon, ng mga salita, mga ganon, messages. But yes, I was so happy looking at them sa I Want ASAP. Medyo habaan lang natin guys para maintindihan nyo kung ano ang point ko dito. The big reveal happened last night. Suppose there's some kind of awkwardness dahil nga sa malaking balita ba naman ang pinaputok ni Maymay kagabi sa The Best Talk. Wala akong nakitang awkwardness kay Maymay and kay Edward. Kay Darren at kay Roppy. Pareho lang. Ewan ko kung ako lang ba, mata ko ba lang nakakakita ng ganito. And here comes Maymay. Ito, sabi to si Maymay Entrata nagsabi, Humpty Dumpty costume ni Jeremy. Ang saya-saya niyo talaga kabanding. Sabi niya ganon. And napanood ko to guys kasi nasa nasa upuan lang ako nito kanina. In between classes, sabi ko, ano bang mangyayari dito? Panoorin natin before tayo mag-share ng kung ating comment.
Nga, parang mas gusto ko yun.
Bago ang lahat. Ano ba yung costume mo? Sino ka ba?
Sabi ni Maymay, Humpty Dumpty.
Yun nga, parang mas gusto ko yun. Humpty Dumpty lang ako.
Sorry, akala ko kasi yun.
Okay lang, Humpty Dumpty na ako, May. Para sa'yo.
Sorry na, Jeremy, kasi akala ko pinagsa mo yung pag ganito mo.
Uy, grabe naman.
Uy,
Ay,
naging
sorry.
Edward Barber ka.
Pero yun na nga, ano ba talaga karakter mo?
Dapat nerd lang, May. Kaso parang mas gusto ko yung Humpty Dumpty.
Patay. Sorry, Jeremy.
Pinuhintan mo pa yung hairline ko, pero okay lang.
Grabe si
Ay,
Maymay.
pasensya.
Kami talaga ni Maymay ang masayang kabanding sa aming lahat dito.
Masaya yung kabonding.
Pero
Ito na.
may katanungan si Edward sa'yo eh.
Bago ang lahat. Ano ba yung costume mo? Sino ka ba?
Oo
Sabi ni
nga.
Maymay, Humpty Dumpty.
Yun nga, parang mas gusto ko yun. Humpty Dumpty lang ako.
Sorry, akala ko kasi yun.
Okay lang, Humpty Dumpty na ako, May. Para sa'yo.
Sorry na, Jeremy, kasi akala ko pinagsa mo yung pag ganito mo.
Uy, grabe naman.
Uy,
Ay,
naging
sorry.
Edward Barber ka.
Pero yun na nga, ano ba talaga karakter mo?
Dapat nerd lang, May. Kaso parang mas gusto ko yung Humpty Dumpty.
Patay. Sorry, Jeremy.
Pinuhintan mo pa yung hairline ko, pero okay lang.
Grabe si Maymay.
Ay, pasensya.
Kami talaga ni Maymay ang masayang kabanding sa aming lahat dito.
Masaya yung kabonding.
Pero
Ito na.
may katanungan si Edward. Pero
Ito na.
may katanungan si Edward sa'yo.
O ano, narinig nyo? Napansin nyo? May napansin ba kayo? Sige, wala kayong napansin Sigurado kayo wala kayong napansin? Kung may napansin kayo, ilagay nyo sa aking comment section. Pero, ang isa lang talaga ang napansin ko doon. Masayang huntahan, masarap na tawanan. While Robbie Domingo was so busy on his phone, the four of them were having a nice time habang binubuli nga nila, niloloko nila itong si Jeremy kasi sabi niya, may Humpty Dumpty. Tapos sabi na Edward, parang kinukuha mo na yung line ko na full mo na kasi half moon yung kamay, may sa akin ay half moon. Parang ganun bang effect sa akin. And then, nung hindi talaga mapigil-pigil si Maymay, kakatanong kay Jeremy, narinig niyo yung maliit lang na para bang sabihin natin meow 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 meow.
Pero
Ito na.
may katanungan si Edward sa'yo.
Meow meow Sige na nga, ako na nga lang yun. Feeling ko nga lang yun. Bahala yun. Basta kilig ako. Basta kung sino man nagpapasay kay May, si Edward Barber man yan. Kung sino man ang gusto nyong isipin, ako, ang aking si Aw ay si Edward Chan Barber. Titigilan ko ang vlog na ito sa stand ko. Ang aking Aw for May na hindi nagbago, nahahanapin ko yung clip na ididikit ko para may masasabi ako sa inyong may pinangahawakan ako. Yan ay si Edward Barber, ang aking aw-aw for my Mai. And then my Mai is the meow meow of Edward. Sabi naman ni Mai, okay. Palayo dyan. Ulitin ko yung clip for you to see kung anong nakita at naramdaman ko.
Pero,
Ito
ito
na.
na. May katanungan si Edward sa'yo.
See you in a bit, mga ka-Mayward, kasi ang video clip na ito, ang vlog na ito, ay para makita nyo lang kung ano yung nakikita ko. Para mabuhayan ang mga puso nyong nasaktan. Huwag tayo basta-basta magpaniwala. Isipin natin, papalapit na ang Empower Digital Concert ni Maymay, at yun ang ating pakatutukan for now, and not the issues na matagal na nating alam na nangyayari, ayaw lang nating tanggapin. Okay? Ayaw lang nilang ipakita at ayaw tanggapin ng management. Charot! Charot, chismosa talaga ako. See you in a bit, mga ka-Mayward!
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who patented being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks, this and that. Spitting slow, spitting fast. I could roast, I could gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past. And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words, you can say them back. I want you to feel free from the chains at last, and to believe in what you got, it was built to last, yeah.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help. I had to do it all myself.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some honestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you could be so remarkable.
Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking.
Now that I've been put through hell, I never got anyone's help.